Guys, we are bringing you everything from start to finish.
Me get one bag for like $1,200 somewhere there about. You know, when I check back today, $100 gone on for each bag of cement.
Yeah.
So if you buy 100 bag of cement, just know say you spend $10,000 more.
Like you did last week.
Than last week.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
That's
so
the reality that we're living in.
Yeah.
When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Adrian, what are you doing, babe?
I make column.
You're making columns?
Yeah, man.
Wow. So what kind of column are you making?
That one I want tea.
Mm-hmm.
I want tea on this.
Yeah.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
See them there?
Wow,
I learn
okay.
the trade, see me?
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So guys, Adrian is up here learning the trade. You know him, I learn that thing. I'm so proud of him.
Yeah, man.
Every time up here I teach him how to make columns.
First thing in the work, take pride.
Take pride.
Take pride.
Yeah. I like that.
True, true.
I like that.
Take pride in the work and money come after.
For real, for real.
Yeah.
That's true, man. That is so true. Yeah. So I never know the columns. You have different types of columns.
Yeah, different
so
names.
Different names.
Different names. Yeah.
So you have T and flat.
And L shape.
L
and round
shape.
column.
Careful, careful.
Careful with it. You got panty wear.
I say I need the boss.
Everybody I chop all my things I do. Trying to see, trying to point camera and see everything.
Lordy, lordy. The guys, so we have some black deliver already, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, you know, a youth I make some black, you know, I make a black factory, so, you know, I support him. I go look for them already and thing, and them alright, so, you know, the price is not bad too, so I just work with him, you see me?
Yo.
Yeah, man.
So
Wow.
this is like the most lengthy part of construction, you think? Like doing the steel work. What? Doing the steel work like this. It takes the most time, you think?
You take time, yes. That is where you cut you up, yeah. If you don't know how to.
Yeah,
I see them very short.
yeah.
Yeah.
I technical man, cause, yeah.
We never know say it's so
And
technical
to
like.
me,
Ah, true.
I feel like the line out there most part though.
Yeah.
The lining out.
Yeah, the line out.
Can I take you a day to do that?
Yeah. Because when you don't line out, you have to still go over it and see if you make any mistakes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true.
This line out just gone like that.
True, man.
You have to still give it a high and look over it again.
It shows
Yeah.
everything. The palm point.
Alright. So I show them the line out, the layout.
Oh, the layout?
Yeah, I show them the layout. Yeah, guys, so foundation finished digging, eh? Oh, hush. Watch it. You should catch a one while ago, you know. Ja. Eh, look like a Pac-Man where I play.
Oh yeah.
Like a real life Pac-Man.
For real. Yeah, true. That's true. And then this is where the walls are gonna start.
Yeah, guys, so alright, so we're here. This is the back room. Back room area, this right here. Alright. This is bathroom. It's gonna be the bathroom for this room. This room I have its own bathroom right here. Alright. guys, we're dirty. We're dirty, you see me? So this is the rear patio, right? Passage,
Yeah.
bathroom. For the main, this is the main bedroom. The main bedroom, bathroom.
Yeah.
This is the wash area, right there, so.
Yeah.
Right? This is like the main bathroom for the whole place. It's around.
So that bathroom will be shared with the living room and the first bedroom.
The living room plus the front room. The front room will be here.
Okay.
The bathroom here. The living, kitchen, dining over here where that big mound is.
Okay.
You can hear me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Living, dining, kitchen over here, so. You know? And,
Okay. Oh, so that's still there?
Yeah. When them dump up the foundation, they have all kind of rubble did in there. So after the developer finish build the house, them dump all kind of trash in the foundation. You know, in the ground afterwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hey, we're there.
Yeah. Come. Woof. Yeah. Yeah, man. So the guys, hopefully in another 3 days time, they will finish stealing out this thing, you know, putting all the steel in the foundation. And then, we call the
Municipal office.
yeah.
So they have a requirement. So when you're ready to cast your foundation, you have to actually call them in for them to do their inspection and so
Yeah.
forth. So everything's on the up and up.
Yep.
Before you can actually
Cast
your
the foundation.
All right. So we're not playing, okay? All right.
True.
When the earthquake come,
The
they
bad
must still be intact.
hurricane too.
An earthquake, an hurricane.
Yeah, earthquake and hurricane. All kind of quake and crane, all kind of something.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
guys,
man.
we're bringing you everything from start to finish. Like,
Yep.
tell them about the changing price of cement.
So guys, as you can see, right? So I don't really have anywhere to store stuff. So I kind of get the things them, and I have no space plus shelter.
Yeah.
So I basically have to buy the things them as needed.
Yeah.
Regarding the cement now, you know, cement is somewhere you can't even store outside.
Yeah.
You know, they'll get wet. When them get wet, they spoil.
Yeah.
So
So we actually got quotation.
so last week when I go buy the steel, I was thinking about buying the cement at the time. But I said, I'm wait till when I'm ready for cast. So right as I'm ready for cast, now I buy the cement. At that time, I go to one particular place where my brethren work. Right, a big order where my brethren work, so them basically give me company discount.
Exactly.
You see
We
me?
got discount.
Yeah, so the company discount that I work it out to where I get about, I get one bag for like $1,200, somewhere there about. You know, when I check back today, $100 gone on for each bag of cement.
Yeah.
So if you buy 100 bag of cement, just know say you spend $10,000 more
Like you
see
did
me?
last week.
Than last week.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
That's
So
the reality that we're living in.
yeah, so I mean, you can't hesitate when you buy material. You know, you have to just get at it. Can't delay. You have plans to construct. You can't delay. You have to just move at it.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
because material price now get cheaper, right? Yeah, man. So you know, we just have to.
Not get
We just have
cheaper.
to push, man. Just have to push.
Yo.
Yep, definitely,
We have
guys.
some big stones on in it.
Yeah, some big stones come out still. I'm gonna lift them out. They free them up already though. But I just to take them out.
Oh, the man is the man.
I don't even know. Yeah. Yep.
It would be interesting to see how them lift that out.
Yeah. So guys, stay tuned, you know. We're gonna show you when we're ready for when the steel worker put it in and you know when the casting are going, I'm gonna say all of that, guys. So just stay tuned, alright? Continue watching.
Yes.
Alright guys, and if you don't want to get the regular progress updates, guys, do remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.
Turn on the post notification bell,
Yeah, man.
and that's the one with the little thingy on the
Yeah,
side.
yeah guys, definitely. Remember 50K by May.
50K by May. Get us there, guys.
Yep.
If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now.
Subscribe,
and tell
guys.
a friend, and tell that friend to tell a friend, and another friend, and another friend. 50K.
50K
Alright?
by May. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Oh, go on guys. Yeah man, another day, you know. See, well, finally clear up the dirt now completely. We clear up a portion of the dirt before, right? But the man them come back. See, all the dirt from the side they move. So the man them come now for the remainder, alright? Because we have some material to dump. So we want to clear the way and things so the material, we can get the material in. Yeah. Boy guys, I'm not telling a lie. So I prepare to get the cement them and stuff like that. I'm actually make a hardware run this morning. And I want to tell you say it's like the steel for the decking are more than a ton, probably close to 2 tons. But based on how the material costs are go up, you know, and at the same time too, we only need probably half the quantity of cement that I bought for the foundation and like to do the blocking up. But again, what I say, the material cost them just a go up, so plus delivery cost as well is another obstacle. So to kind of avoid some of the extra costs we have to face, we just kind of buy the thing them at other time. So we may have a run to make buy some cement like this morning. We just make sure that we get all the steel we want to. So minimize the delivery costs plus the inflation. We kind of beat some of the inflation as well, you know. So that is some of the way, you know, you can minimize the cost, you know. Because trust me, this thing here, a really expensive venture, you know. Really expensive venture. Yeah man, so the guys already line out the most of the matting already for the foundation, and they have the columns as well. So them build up, basically all the column build finished already, you know. Yeah, so we're clear with this way now. We have ample space can work, you know. Yeah man, have ample space can work. Woo. Hey, what going on guys? We know a good while, you know, see we at home, right? You know, so I mean the guys are the house, the other house, I do them thing. Right now they are actually laying what them call the matting, the steel work in the foundation on the floor. Oh. Then after that now, not on the floor but in the foundation, then afterwards now they might put up the column them on the steel and you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so while the steel work really, it take a long time, you know, like, because we never really observe the steel work done before. I see construction work I go on in the past, but I never really observe the steel work to see there's so much work going into it. Yeah.
That is true. I never really observe to see there's so much, you know?
Yeah. Now what you make?
I am making fried rice.
Yeah, now your big wok.
Yeah, my big wok.
Yeah.
Big up DJ. This was a gift that we got. This was a wedding gift. So big up DJ and Sister Campbell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Hey, literally when them say, yo, you get a big wok of food, and this them a talk about, you know, guys. See it, yeah?
What they mean.
And this is the mean when them say you get a big wok. You share out your big wok.
Yep.
I eat this, man. Yeah, so, where you make with this, babe?
Okay, so we have some chicken from yesterday and we have macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
So we're eating it with that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So, I actually get the load of gravel already, guys. I actually get the load of gravel last evening. Yeah, so she put in her for the soy sauce.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. So the guy, tomorrow him say I'm gonna deliver the sun. Guys, me not lie. Like, we have to shop around for material, guys. Believe me. It make a big difference. The savings.
Yep.
Right? Because, alright, me link one quarry, guys. Me link one quarry and the gravel, no, not the gravel, the sand at $80,000 for a load of sand, which is like 30 tons. That's a one quarry. Mind you, the quarry is still cheaper than if you got the hardware and buy sand by the yard or the ton. Right? So, them tell me 80,000 and then me still have to go get transportation to bring it in, which is quite a penny. Expensive. So, me get a link from another truck man where I charge me 70,000 for the load of sand, including delivery. Right? So, a portion of savings right there. So, and generally, you have to just try and find a way them to get the thing them pan reduce budget, you see me? Or should I say,
think about,
or say get the thing them pan a reduce price, you know? Shop around.
So you have to kind of like be smart and negotiate between lower cost and delivery, because the thing that make me know is that delivery is so crazy.
You have to trust me. The delivery alone, if you're not smart with it, cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. You have to be smart and strategic with the delivery. So you can't run guard every minute a buy. No.
So buy little.
You can't, but you're buying a little. Because it will hurt you in the end. You see, for example, if you want 10 ton of steel, argument's sake, if you do the foundation plus the roof, buy the 10 one time. Nobody buy piece if you do the foundation and then you go back again and buy another piece if you do your roof. It don't make no sense, so guys.
When you take a stock, when you calculate up all the delivery costs them.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, man, for real. So, yeah, man, so, I mash up some fried rice. So it's an overnight fried rice. The rice overnight.
Yes, overnight rice.
Yeah, because I know say with fried rice, when the rice is not fresh, it's better. Because the fresh rice have too much water in it. Right? So when it drier, when it stale, if you want to call it stale, and you use it, the grains, it comes out better. It just comes out better. Fried rice look nice though.
It does.
Fried rice look nice.
Nice for taste too.
Yeah, it does taste nice. But it take a little taste while ago, guys. It actually tastes good. Yeah, man.
And Jaden, you like it, Jaden?
Yeah, so two tradesmen they come look on the job today. One electrician and a plumber.
Okay.
Yeah, I like how the electrician talks still, is it? You know, we get two other quotations from two other electricians.
Yeah.
Right? But I met this guy the other day. The last thing now for me go assess work we do before, you know, and make the judgment. You know, the price point them different slightly. You see me, but
Yeah.
I like the recommendations that he's giving me. You get me? I say, cause I don't know nothing about electrical work, and he's basically telling me the best way to go about.
He can give
You know?
him can give you a good consultation.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
I was just saying to Adrian, you know, that it's really good when, especially tradesmen, when them can give you a good consultation, because even if you go to doctor, you go to a lawyer, you're basically consulting, and they must share them knowledge with you about.
True.
But sometimes you go to tradesmen, they must say, boy, I just saw it going up.
Like say anything the draftsman or draw on the plan, I eat them and give them now use for them professional knowledge to help you. Like for example,
And to give suggestions.
the plan of the socket them under the window.
Oh my God, I hate that.
Yeah, same as say even that outdated. You know, so even them little recommendation them a give me. And in terms of the AC wiring, and because the plan never has an AC wiring on it either. One other guy asked me about AC wiring too. But him asked me about that on the outside. Plus the outside plugs and extra breaker, all of them things them I go through with me about.
Yeah.
And the other guy they never mentioned them something there. You get me?
What I like too, is what agent said. So we want to actually see work that people have done.
Yeah.
It's one thing to say, hey, I am a this, I am a that, but who recommends you?
Right.
People after can recommend them. People can see your work and say, boy, him to do that also, what they say, no?
True.
And the people then pleased with the way to whatever was done. Because sometimes you get some tradesman to come and them you only get word of mouth, you know, not even word of mouth, but the money come and say, yo, me I this, and them give you a price that's so nice, and then you make them do your house, and then later on you end up have to pay more money to get it redone. You know?
Yep.
So cheaper become the dearest in that situation.
Yeah, man, because even the wiring from the original, he must say, man, put it outside and bury it 2 feet down, yada, and even that. Yeah. Yeah, man, so even that, I appreciate what you tell me, because other guys mentioned nothing about that. Then I mentioned nothing about an extra breaker. And that wasn't on the plan as well.
Yeah.
Extra breaker not on the plan. And I think the extra breaker important because it's a whole new dwelling that go around there. So it have to have its own control and them something there. You know?
Yeah. So I mean, it increases the control of the building, because suppose you want to use it for something else later on.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, man. So
possible.
a plumber when I know come, him gonna give me an estimate, but I still seek plumber same way.
And you still are
I
them
still look. Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's something important to know. You ever have your house just done and then you have a leaking toilet?
Why?
Ah.
Gary!
No, do not.
Gary! Hey!
Oh my gosh. Carrie's just a
So
sweetheart.
dinner ready?
Dinner is ready. I'm just cutting up chicken.
Yeah.
This is leftovers from yesterday, guys.
Yeah, man. The chicken that is. The chicken is
Yeah,
left
the
over.
chicken is
And the
left
mac
over.
and cheese too.
Yes, and the mac and cheese. So,
Yeah, man.
warming
Excited.
up everything. I'm just putting it in slices.
Can't wait. Guys, to be honest, yesterday I was on the site all day and I collect delivery and everything. So, to be honest, I never even get this fresh, you know. I never get this fresh right now. What time I come here last night?
Probably like after 6, after 7.
Probably after
Like,
7.
he came late.
Yeah.
I was up waiting on him, right? So cook and everything, and it's like I sit down and I was like, why am I, you know, like in limbo?
Yeah.
I'm like, why am I feeling like I'm in limbo? What's going on? Only for realize that I'm technically, my mind is waiting on Adrian to come to eat, and Adrian would not come.
And you know, so to be honest, and I never know you did mention it, but I never really know, say, it's like it now clicking on my mind, say you put on big cooking.
Well, I didn't plan to put on any big cooking.
Gary!
He's a busy guy. He's a busy.
Busy body, babe. Busy.
He's
Yeah.
looking at the camera. He's like, what's going on? Can I touch it?
Gary, that's
He's
you.
like, Carrie, look. Look
That's
at that
you.
baby. Look at that baby.
Yeah. That's you, Kyrie. Kyrie, high five. High five, Kyrie. I'm gonna why distracting my baby. High five. High five. High five. High five.
Do it twice.
Yes. I carry one. Carry one. Carry. One.
Yay! You
Come.
won. Good boy.
I carry full time now. Show them what I want.
All right. So you're protesting.
Okay, ready for food?
He's protesting.
Yeah. So this is dinner, guys.
Yes, this is dinner.
Fried rice, smoked chicken, mac and cheese, and some tuna.
Tuna.
Yeah. You like what you see, Jaden? Mm-hmm.
All right, Kyrie, let us pray real quick.
Let it go, boy. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes, so guys,
What's the
Jaden run
matter?
out, and we're gonna be feeding this little guy here who wants to move.
Mm-hmm.
He's strapped.
Him is not a foodie guy. Now tell you that. The man don't want foodie. You
Jim
know?
out and move. He's eating out though. Alright guys, so thank you very much for joining us today on another Del Pratt family video.
Of course, guys, remember 50K by May.
Yes.
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. We're inch up towards the 40K mark, guys. So subscribe.
Yes.
Alright?
Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. We need you to subscribe.
Yeah.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up on each video. That really helps us. Yes, Kyrie. Tell them about the notification bell, right? So y'all need to touch that notification bell. Ensure that the setting is on all or has a little thing dancing beside the bell.
Of course, guys. Yeah, man.
Peace
So,
out.
we out, guys.